Hello, little champs. Welcome back to our session 2. Today, I'm going to tell you one story of three little pigs. Before that, let us revise what we have learnt in our previous session. Let's recite the poem. My house is red, a little house, a happy child am I. Girl कैसी थी? Happy. Then I laugh and play for whole day long. The whole day the girl used to laugh and play. I hardly ever cry. She rarely cries. I have a tree, a green tree. She has a green tree near her house to shade me from the sun. Tree gives her shade, and under it I often sit when all my play is done. As I have explained you the whole poem, now it's time for question answers. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Is there any tree growing near your house? Is it big or small? Answer. Yes, there is one tree growing near my house. It is a big tree. Do you like that tree? What is the name of the tree? Yes, I like that tree. It is a mango tree. You write the name of the tree which is near your house. Now it's story time. Today I am going to tell you one story of three little pigs. There were three little pigs. Their names were Sonu, Monu, and Gonu. Pig is one of the farm animals with a snout. Sonu lived in a house of straw. Straw means dried grass, suka ghas. His friend Gonu lived in a house of bricks. Do you know, children? We all live in house of bricks. Brick means a rectangle shaped block made from clay. And Monu lived in a house of sticks. What is the meaning of sticks? Lakdiyan, which is made from wood. One day, a big bad wolf came. Wolf means a wild animal just like fox. And that bad wolf came to Sonu's house. And he said, I will huff and puff and I will blow down your house. मैं इतनी जोर से फूंक मारूंगा ना तो आपका हाउस उड़ जाएगा, नीचे गिर जाएगा. Huff and puff means जोर से फूंक मारना. And he also said, I will blow your house down. Blow means भी जैसे फूंक मारना. जैसे आपकी बर्थडे हो और आप नहीं बोलते हो blow the candles, है ना. And so he huffed and puffed and blew Sonu's house away. As Sonu's house was made of straw, which is dried grass, when Wolf huffed and puffed, Sonu's house blew away. As Sonu lost his house, he went to Monu's house to take shelter. सोनू के घर के टूट जाने के बाद वो मोनू के घर गया वहाँ रहने के लिए. But what happened? Then Wolf came to Monu's house also and said, I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. Sonu and Monu got frightened. बेचारे दोनों डर गए. And they held the door tightly. Then he huffed and he puffed and he blew down Monu's house also. ये कैसे हुआ? Because Monu made his house with sticks and sticks are also not strong enough. स्टिक का हाउस भी थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा हवा आने से टूट जाता है. And then he went to Gonu's house and said, I will huff and puff and I will blow your house, yes, down. गोनू भी डर गया और ढूंढने लगा कि मैं अपने हाउस को कैसे बचाऊं. He became restless. Then the wolf huffed and puffed but could not blow the brick house as the brick house was very strong. The wolf tried again and again and he got tired because he huffed and puffed so many times to blow down the brick house. But he could not blow it because brick house was very strong. What is the meaning of strong? Pakka, which cannot be easily broken. Then you know what happened? The wolf went away and Sonu, Monu and Gonu lived happily. Means wolf थक के हार के वहाँ से चला गया और सोनू, मोनू एंड गोनू 3 pigs एकदम हैप्पीली वहाँ पे रहने लगे. And 3 of them decided that they all will live together in a red brick house. Together means साथ में रहना. Children, did you like this story? What do you learn from this story? The moral of the story is hard work and dedication pay off. While Sonu and Monu quickly built homes and had more free times to play, Gonu was busy in the construction of his home with bricks. So, when the bad wolf came to blow the houses of 3 pigs, only Gonu's house survived. Because Gonu put all his efforts in making his house with bricks. Means कुछ भी काम करो मेहनत और लगन से करोगे तो उसका फल आपको जरूर मिलेगा. Now let us practice to see how much we have learnt. Here match the following. You have to match the pig with its house. First one is Gonu. Yes, Gonu lived in a house of bricks. Sonu lived in a house of straw. And Monu lived in a house of sticks. Very good. Clap for yourselves. It's time for homework. Circle the correct option. Number 1 is Dash lived in a house of bricks. Who lived in the house of bricks? Sonu, Gonu or Monu? Yes, Gonu lived in a house of bricks. So you have to circle the word Gonu. Answer is B. So now you read all the sentences and circle the correct answer in each sentence. Here we are ending our session. We will meet in our next session. Thank you.